What are you doing, Teak? What is Theo doing? Go see what Theo's doing. Can you go tell him to come here? I need to get him changed. Hey Theo, come here please. Hi Teak. How come Theo won't come here? Oh, what a sweet boy. Hey Theo, could you come here? He's playing on the computer in there. Come here, Theo. Ignoring me? I'm used to it already.